Hello there, it is Miss Courtney. I am here with my son Logan, and this is our attempt at making a super simple bird feeder that hopefully we can bring outside and put on a tree branch. As you can see, Logan is very interested in eating the O's rather than putting them out for the birds, but I guess I will show you how. So I have a pipe cleaner and Cheerios. And what I am doing is placing the Cheerios right onto the pipe cleaners. You can decide to spread them out and have a lot of room in between each, or you can bunch them all together. However you feel fit, go ahead and do. What else could you use if you don't have a pipe cleaner? We decided to put this bird feeder into a circle so that way the O's don't fall off, and we twisted the ends. I'm so excited to see the different types of bird feeders that will be made. Are there any different shapes a bird feeder could be? We really wanted to put it on the tree, but as you can see, the branch was extremely high. So we opted for this bush. Hopefully a bird finds it. I'm so curious to see all the different types of bird feeders that will be made and where you decided to put it. Don't forget to take pictures. I want to see all the different bird feeders before the birds get to them and eat it.